In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Monday.com with Google Calendar. We're going to walk through how to automatically sync your tasks from Monday.com so they appear as events in your Google Calendar. This is really useful if you live out of your calendar and want your task deadlines to show up there without having to copy them over manually every time. Start by opening the Monday.com board that contains the tasks you want to sync. At the top right of your board, look for the Integrate button. Go ahead and click that. This is where Monday.com keeps all of its automation and integration options, and it's what will connect your board to Google Calendar behind the scenes. In the integrations window that appears, use the search bar and type in Google Calendar. You'll see a list of available integration recipes. The one you're looking for is called When a Date Arrives, Create an Event in Google Calendar. Select that recipe. This specific option tells Monday.com to watch a date column on your board and, when that date is reached, automatically generate an event for you in your calendar. Next, you'll need to connect your Google account. Click the Connect button. A Google sign-in window will open, and you may be asked to choose which Google account you want to use and to grant permission for Monday.com to create events. Confirm the account and accept the permissions so the integration can work properly. If you manage multiple calendars under that account, you'll be able to choose which calendar the events should go to later on. Once your account is connected, you'll configure how the recipe pulls information from your board. Click on the word Date in the recipe. From the drop-down, select the column on your board that holds your task due dates, often called something like Due Date. This tells Monday.com which column to use when deciding when to create the calendar event. Now click on the word Event. Here, you'll map your board's fields to the event details in Google Calendar. Map your item name to the summary field so that the name of your task becomes the title of the calendar event. Then map your date column to the start and end time so the event appears at the correct time in your calendar. When everything looks good, click Add to Board. Your integration is now live, and from this point on, when those dates arrive, Monday.com will automatically create corresponding events in your Google Calendar.